The exams is being conducted because the exams start on time and the students are all tired and are writing the examination. And also we have a high number of students that are sitting for these exams. We have about 64,000 students, 30,000 male students and 34,000 female students. The exams conduct actually is very good.
What would you say is the mode so far? Are you impressed with what has transpired on both sides so far?
I have not seen anything that I will say that I'm not happy with. The exam started on time and the students are very orderly. The invigilators are also on the ground. So I'm happy with what I have seen.
So with this, what does it portend for our education examinations, education in general in Nigeria?
What I would say that is I'm happy that Nigerians are happy with our unity schools because of the number of students that are still sitting for this national common entrance examination. As I mentioned earlier, we have about 64,000 students sitting for these exams, which means parents are still vying for the federal unity colleges. We are doing good, and that's why parents are happy with us and allowing their students to register for this examination so that they can be part of the unity schools. Together with you, I'm sure you have seen, just like I have seen, that the exams is going smoothly, and for now, up to now, I have not seen a single challenge. And what I will say for Nigerians is we are happy with the conduct of the examination, and we are hoping that even for our senior secondary school examination, that is the SSCE, WAEC and NEPO, we will see an improvement where exams will be conducted on time and everything will go smoothly so that everybody will be happy with the way the examination has been conducted.
Thank you very much.
If not excellent, because we have not seen any challenge. Materials are enough and delivered on time. The examination started also on time, and having seen the number of candidates that registered, you have heard the Honorable Minister said Nigerians still believe in the unity schools, because it's one of the edifices for uniting all Nigerians from all over the country. You have candidates congregating together to ensure that there is unity in the country. We used to make sure that for such candidates, like candidates with autism, there are people that assist them. And the blind candidate are provided with braille and other equipment for them to answer their questions.
Thank you.
Don't worry, I'll give you.
So I using 3 transformers. The other block having 151 above. The statistics is, I think, more military.